again, we gotta hurry up so we don't get copyrighted.
On my life, y'all, besties, we just in a hotel. We've been in this Vegas hotel for like forever.
Our vlog is gonna be horrible, y'all.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's a lot to see, and yeah, we just been in what hotel are we at? It's
a castle.
Excalibur. That's where we been. We been in Excalibur for some hours now, but it's so pretty in here.
Take a picture of it.
We need a camera person. We YouTubers.
YouTubers. In front of what?
Oh, look at it. African
nice,
queens. Oh yeah, I gotta take a picture next to this. Look at this. I'm sorry, y'all. I did stop in the middle of the process. Cause this different.
Hell.
Cause it's 3
I told y'all the themes was changing in the hotel.
That's weird. Why would y'all do that? Why would they do that though? Probably want. And that shit go upside down. That shit.
I'm like, what's scared too? That bitch gonna go, look.
I do gotta take a picture.
Y'all niggas gonna throw up?
Yes, this one like this is so pretty. Have to record this shit. That's what that's like, because I don't think it's picking it up.
Right on the back of your leg.
Yeah, we've been walking for a while, and I just started recording. Just to make sure y'all saw this. This is so beautiful.
Then we gonna get over.
Our first time being in Vegas, being 21 and 22.
Right. Feet hurt.
I swear. Mine too. But I'm cool though.
What's gonna do on the strip, though?
They don't bother me, but I'm just saying.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to cut this
I ain't
off
saying you didn't walk on the
because
strip.
I'm tired. And I'll cut it back on once we get somewhere different. Okay, y'all, this is what we see right now.
What we do here is go back.
Sign right there in that building under Tom Burns' head.
Where are the people that be dancing in the middle of the street at?
Okay, Bestie, so we ended up walking up into Ross, you know.
I need to get some shoes, my feet hurt.
Yeah, and I think I'm about to get me some too, but I don't know for sure. Y'all, we on the bus on our way back to the room, so we need just to go out. It is approximately, what time is it? It's like
8:38.
Jen said it's 8:38, so it is approximately 8:38 in Vegas, and we're about to go back to the room to get dressed. And yeah, we're passing Treasure Island.
What we do here is go back.
At least you're just trying to show me a lady in a wheelchair doing.
Yo, we about to be zip lining in a minute. Period, Pooh. Yes, this about to be fun. Look.
This is not zip lining.
The Hilton. Nobody. Jen. Nobody, Jenny.
Is that for YouTube?
I'm just recording. It could go in there.
Alright. What's up, Bestiebunch? It's my birthday, so comment down below. Happy birthday, Jen.
Okay, period.
3 minutes back the other way on the other side of the
We was thinking that, but you was trying that I never ever felt before.
No. Y'all, we at another part of the strip. This is another day, but yeah.
Yeah, that's why I want to know where the big sign is.